for all of us, especially the Sikhs and the people who are my age. They've gone through the 1984 and the 1990s, and it was pretty much the same genocide feeling that they had and what we have gone through. So on first week of June, when we heard about that, we reached out to the band out in Kamloops there and told them that we want to come and share their be part of their feelings. So we sent out the notice to all our members, and quickly the word spread too. It wasn't just the Sikhs who were there, but all the riders from out in Kelowna, Kamloops, Keramas, and all over BC. They joined them. And on the same day, there was a truck rally also that was organized by the logging truckers out from Prince George Williams Lake, Osoyoos, Oliver, and that area. What happened was, when we were organizing this rally, when we stopped in Merritt, there were lots of other motorcycles from other communities.
Help me.
Monty, a guy, he was an indigenous guy. He was a grandson of one of the chief, who came and met us and said the prayers out at the gas station in Merritt. And he had very strong words for us. He said, up till now, we as an indigenous community has felt lonely, and we had felt alone, and we did not know there was anybody standing beside us. And they said, we are very humbled and we feel proud that you guys have taken this step, and we are not alone anymore. So it was very emotional, and this guy was out in tears. He said that there is somebody, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੋਢੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੋਢਾ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਖੜਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੁਣ ਨਾਲ. So we went out to Kamloops there, and there were literally people lined up on the road there with this slogan, welcoming us and all the riders out there and the truckers. And when you went out into the school, it pretty much felt for the Punjabi community. I am from district Fatehgarh Sahib. It reminded me of Fatehgarh Sahib. It was like those ਨਿੱਕੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੱਬੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ thank you, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਭ ਲਿਆ. We have been buried, we have been playing hide and seek for such a long time that thank you for finding us. So it was very emotional. There were tears in our eyes, and there were tears in the eyes of the people who were greeting us. And we had the Roseanne, the chief out there in Kamloops. She met us too, and it was pretty much a humbling experience for us. And I think the best thing to do in this situation now is we should go out and learn more about the other communities, even your neighbors. Same thing that we talked about at the Kent Vision, what happened out in Toronto. To bridge the gap, we believe in integration instead of segregation. ਆਪਣੇ ਗੁਆਂਢੀ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੋ, ਪੁੱਛੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ, ਪੁੱਛੋ ਕੌਣ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਧਰਮ ਤੋਂ ਆ, ਕਿਹੜੇ ਰਿਲੀਜਨ ਤੋਂ ਆ. That's the only way we can have one good, very well bound Canada. And that's all I have to say. Thank you.